Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Tenant. Tenant means person who occupies land or property rented from landlord. For example, council house tenants. Council house tenants. Synonyms: occupant, resident, inhabitant.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. These properties could be rented to tenants. Now, repeat after me. These properties could be rented to tenants. The second exemplar. Apartment rents for tenants will continue to rise. Now, repeat after me. Apartment rents for tenants will continue to rise. The third exemplar. The homes were rented out to new tenants. Now, repeat after me. The homes were rented out to new tenants.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The motto on the Royal Coat of Arms of the United Kingdom is in French. It says, Dieu et mon droit, or, God and my right.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.